Today, we're embarking on a sentimental journey back to my grandma's pantry, an old world haven filled with practical wisdom. I'm eager to reveal the 12 must-have items she always kept in stock. These kitchen staples not only bring delightful flavors to your meals, but also help you to stay within your grocery budget. Before we immerse ourselves in the nostalgia and the nuggets of wisdom Grandma left us, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your loved ones. Now, let's head on in. As a child, I was enchanted by Grandma's pantry. It was much more than a storage area for food. It was a treasure trove of flavors, a testament to Grandma's foresight and budgeting skills, and a symbol of our family's resourcefulness and resilience. For Grandma, the pantry was the heart of the kitchen, making sure that no matter how tight things got, there was always something to whip up into a wholesome meal. And more than just ensuring we had food on the table, a well-stocked pantry helped us avoid expensive, last-minute grocery trips or resorting to unhealthy takeout. It's a lesson in being prepared and living within your means. So let's delve deeper and discover the 12 timeless staples that never missed from Grandma's pantry. Item 1. Rice. Every culture has its favorite grain, and for us, it was rice. It's versatile, filling, and comforting, serving as the backbone of an endless array of dishes, from rich risottos and fragrant pilafs to sweet, creamy puddings. By purchasing in large bags, you can secure quite the bargain on this pantry must-have. Item 2. Beans. Nutritionally dense and economical, beans were a frequent star in Grandma's recipes. Opt for dried beans. They're cheaper than canned and, once cooked, deliver a rich flavor and texture to soups, stews, chilas, and salads. Item 3. Flour. Be it for dusting the kitchen counter, thickening a sauce, or baking a batch of cookies, flour is one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen. It's an affordable staple, and buying in larger quantities usually ensures better savings. Item 4. Canned vegetables. Though fresh produce is always preferred, having canned vegetables in your pantry serves as a great backup for times when fresh vegetables aren't readily available or when time is of the essence. And the best part, they're long-lasting and often cheaper, especially when bought on sale. Item 5. Pasta. Pasta spells comfort and convenience. It's quick to cook, incredibly satisfying, and pairs well with virtually any ingredient you have on hand. Be it spaghetti bolognese, a colorful pasta salad, or a creamy mac and cheese, pasta is a budget-friendly lifesaver. Item 6. Oats. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Oats were Grandma's secret ingredient. They made for hearty breakfasts, were baked into cookies and muffins, added as a filler in meatloaf, and even transformed into face masks for our at-home spa days. Nutritious, versatile, and light on pocket, oats are a definite must-have. Item 7. Canned fish. Tuna, salmon, sardines. They're packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids and add a burst of flavor to salads, pasta, sandwiches, and more. They're an affordable way to include fish in your diet and a quick solution for a high-protein meal. Item 8. Dried fruits and nuts. These are nature's candies and snackable superfoods. They can be mixed into baking recipes, porridges, salads, or even enjoyed as is for a quick energy boost. Buy in bulk for lower prices and portion them out at home to save on expensive prepackaged options. Item 9. Spices. Spices are the soul of delicious meals. With just a pinch, they can transport you to different corners of the world and make each dish unique. While they might seem expensive initially, remember, a little goes a long way. Item 10. Cooking oils. From olive to canola to sesame oil, each variety offers a different flavor profile and health benefits. They're essential for every type of cooking and baking. Purchasing larger bottles or when on sale can result in notable savings. Item 11. Sugar and salt. These twins of taste need no introduction. We use them daily for adding flavor, baking, and preserving food. Buying in larger quantities makes sense and saves sense. Finally, item 12, vinegar. It's not just for pickling or making tangy salad dressings. It's an effective household cleaner helping keep your home clean without chemical residue. Economical and eco-friendly, a large bottle of vinegar in your pantry is a smart move. And there we have it. By stocking these 12 essential items, you're not only prepared to cook up an array of delicious meals, but also set to save money and minimize waste. It's amazing how the humble items in Grandma's pantry hold the key to a frugal, fulfilling life. Do you have a favorite pantry staple that you can't live without? Please share it with us in the comments below. I'm sure we all have much to learn from each other. Before we wrap up, allow me to thank you all for spending your time with me today. If you found this video beneficial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive updates on our future content. We've got plenty more money-saving tips, life hacks, and other timeless wisdom coming your way. Until then, remember, frugality isn't about depriving oneself. It's about embracing the abundance of life's simple pleasures. Stay blessed, take care, and happy saving.